Okay. So this is not a live stream, but this is going to be a full recipe. So, just to catch you up, I'm today's date. The 1st of January was the last time I ate something. It was Emperor's ice cream. I said my resolution is to only eat Emperor's ice cream if I eat anything, until it's a successful product. So all of 2022. I'm not counting this as a meal. This is just a recipe to get rid of this Irish moss. And now I have no food left in my house. Okay, the blender I don't even need to clean, even though it's still got leftovers from last night in it. Live food is probiotic. It doesn't go bad. It can ferment, and you know, if you smell something and it doesn't smell good, you know, if it smells like it's fermented, you might not want it. But this, you know, you just smell it. It smells the same as it did last night. Irish moss. It's a strong flavor. Last night I said to myself, you know what? All I taste is the moss. So this time I'm going to put all this lemon juice in. And this is what I got for sweetener. I had a 40% off coupon at CVS. So I got maple syrup. Otherwise I would have got honey, but that's $10. This I paid like $3.89. Are we doing the whole thing? I don't want it to take over. Oh, too late. I did the whole thing. Wow, that was quick, huh? $4. This is my meal. $4. It's a $4 meal and then some. Irish moss, lemon. We're gonna put a little Celtic. This recipe's called King of New York, by the way. A spin-off of the name King of Corona, which is a lemon ice made with sugar and a bunch of other bull crap. These ingredients, as you can see, healthy. Got a little ground ginger. A lot of ground ginger. We're gonna do a splash of apple cider vinegar for no reason. And that's it. I'm not gonna put any cayenne. I am gonna put baking soda at the end after the ice. So we'll blend this once. Then we'll add ice and blend again. Nothing in here really has to be blended. It's more of a mix right now. Yeah, that's pretty much it. It's just a mix. Because it's all liquid. And we got a bag of ice up here from the gas station. The prices went up. Instead of $2.50, it's $3 now. I would have went to the 99-cent store. They got bag of ice for 99 cents. Or $1.25 now. Dollar Tree, you know, went up to $1.25. And yeah, so we'll just fill it up to the top with ice. Not over the top, but basically to the 8-cup line. Sometimes you can go over, but I don't think that's necessary right now. So then here's the trick for this one. We got the baking soda, and I'm gonna eyeball it to be about a half a teaspoon. So that's a 1/4 teaspoon, that's a half a teaspoon, and that's like a little more. I don't want that big chunk to fall in, but I'll do a little more sprinkle. That's it. That can also take over. So the trick is to put that on top of the ice. You don't want it to react with the lemon and apple cider vinegar and foam up, but the ice will slow down the reaction and will just make it more of a fluffy ice. Like there was a big chunk that wouldn't get hit at the bottom. Anyway, okay. So I think all I'll do is put it in here, because I'll probably take this whole thing down. You know? I'm gonna go upstairs. I'm going to turn on my space heater. Sit in front of it like it's a fireplace, because it is cold tonight, windy. And then so this is going to, I guess, trick me into thinking that I'm eating something. It's really just, if anything, Irish moss. You saw that what little bit there was. So that would be the actual material that's going into my intestine. And I'm trying to empty out and then do this omega tea from David Jubb, which is full of clathrating elements from nature, which pull debris from the intestine and in between the cells. And as far as I can tell, it's done, you know, for a period of time that, you know, it could differ for different people. For me, I think I'm going to have to do it for at least 3 days and then revisit. So I'm not going to be eating anything or drinking anything. Got rid of all my food in my house. This is the omega tea. It's black. And mix it with water and drink it. Oh man, brain freeze. Oh. Which reminds me of the world record holder for eating. Japanese guy used to eat a whole bunch of stuff, and then he trained himself by eating this giant bowl of ice. You know, like flavored ice. Oh man, frozen. I don't know what else to say. It's not a stream. It's a quick recipe. You saw it quick. And if you're just interested in cleansing, you know, this is a great recipe because the baking soda acts like scrubbing bubbles in the intestinal tract. And it helps to clean it out, you know, chemically and physically by flushing it. So if you have any questions about Life Food Certified food preparation or Jubb's natural healing program, you can hit me up. Just go to either respond here or go to masterluki.com about page, and you got all my contact info. Okay? Free consultation, health coach, 24/7. Master Luki. Over.